you mind if I ask you a quick question? Is there any way you'd be able to chip in like a few dollars to help me?
I got the biggest mind, bigger than yours. Yo, I'm walking down the street and I carry a sword.
That's gonna be a lit trip. Are you joining us?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's fucking sick. I just quit college and I got told I have 48 hours to leave my apartment. I'm gonna start documenting the journey and I need to find a GoPro first. So let's go. GoPro secured. Say what I can. It hardly can pick you up. Right. Now I'm a little low on gas, so I need to go get some gas here in a moment. And this will be the last time that I fill up before the challenge starts. Will I be able to make it back to Cincy with no money? Let's find out. We up. Came here with 2 cars full of stuff. Now I'm leaving with 1 car. Thanks to my man Cam over here. I appreciate you, my boy. Getting a little lower on gas, and I really gotta go to the bathroom. So I think I'm gonna stop, and this is where challenge 1 will take place. Do you mind if I ask you a quick question?
I'm sorry, this is my English.
Okay. Where are you from?
Ukraine.
Oh, okay. Well, how long have you been in the U.S.?
5 years.
5 years? Doing a series where I'm basically traveling across the U.S. off the kindness of strangers. Any way you'd be able to chip in like a few dollars to help me?
No. I am driver.
No worries.
This is business.
No.
I'm business
No,
car.
no worries, no worries. You have a good day.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so we just got this one person here. Do you mind if I ask you a question?
Yeah.
I'm trying to survive off the kindness of strangers for food and gas, so I'm literally paying for no gas, no food, and I was wondering if there's any way that you could chip in a few dollars to help me pay for my gas.
Yeah, I could give you a couple dollars.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Cody.
Cody, I'm Hayden. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
You got a YouTube channel or what?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah. How much do you want me to put in?
Completely up to you. How much do you want to put in?
If you're willing to pay for a tank of gas, like that'd be like, I don't know, there's a quarter in there. That might be like 30 bucks.
Yeah, sure.
I appreciate you so much. Can I give you a hug?
You want a hug?
Yeah, bro. I'm a hugger. I appreciate you, man. It's like, what in you says, sure, I'm gonna help somebody out?
Well, I mean, with the way the world is now these days, there's really not much kindness. You kind of really got to spread it a little bit. So. No,
you're an awesome person, Cody. I really appreciate you.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay, it was actually 42. Want me to give you a little bit back? I can.
No, you're good.
Dude.
You're good.
My guy. You're the best. No way. Second person. Yo! Let's go! Ah! We appreciate Cody. We love Cody. Cody, this guy embodies the shit, bro. And you know what? Detroit, here we come!
You have to get people's consent to be in your videos. You realize that, right?
What up?
What's up? How you doing?
I'm good.
My first time doing some YouTube stuff. This is exciting. Dude, this is so cool.
Now we're going into Arju's apartment to put my stuff down, and he's giving me a house tour.
Everything is just carnivore. This is where I sleep, so it's like it's not that much better than the couch, you know what I'm saying? Like,
When did you get here?
I moved here like a month ago.
Okay, yeah.
So I moved in all this shit over here. Like I've done like monthly.
I gotta smoke to really rhyme, but I'll be alright. I gotta smoke to really rhyme, but still I'm gonna get overloaded from the stimuli. It gets inside. I got the biggest mind, bigger than yours. Yo, I'm walking down the street and I carry a sword. I don't wanna find a bitch cause I won't marry a whore. more. Cause I wanna manifest my lyrical form. I'm coming back, smacking all these rappers cause they fake. I hit rock kicks in the face like Andrew Tate.
Put it down right in the street. I like her rocks, I like her feet. I suck in all the fucking tongue. Bitch, I got hella bitches, I got hella fucking hoes.
I'm in Detroit with these dudes. Dude, I don't know what to fucking do. Oh, where are we going? Get in pizza. Licking it, hopefully not our pizza.
What?
We're meeting up with some of Arjo's friends at this bowling alley that's in Ann Arbor.
One piece, one wish. Traveling and seeing the world is the shit, bro.
Yeah.
I wish I can just, well, peace out, I'm out. You know what I'm saying? But
I was thinking about doing that in like a year or two.
Yeah.
Start going on traveling.
While we waited for the rest of the group to arrive, me and Wild just kept talking about traveling and how he has some plans to go to Japan soon.
Yeah, it's funny. You're the only like Caucasian man here.
that's my jam! You know, we vibe out here, revel and roll. Hopefully, we get a good land. Hopefully, we fall in love.
How you doing, Will?
Go on Amazon, buy a ski mask, buy a black sweater, and a fake gun. Get anything for free.
Billie Jean is not my lover. She is the girl who said, I am the one.
That's all we call skill.
Oh shit.
Hey, what's that thing on?
Yeah?
You look like a terrorist.
You just said I look like a terrorist with this on.
As you'd probably expect, we only bowled for like 5 minutes before we got distracted by the punching machine. While these retards are messing around with my camera, my boy YL just asked me a crazy question.
I'm flying out on the 18th.
Basically, YL's telling me about his solo trip to Japan, and out of nowhere, he's like, dude, I'll pay for your stay if you just pull up with me. Obviously, I'm shocked, but I want to hear him out. He went on to tell me about the giant parties and the crazy nightlife there. And I'm not gonna lie, he had me sold. So I had to say yes. What the fuck, bro? There is just one problem. I do not have a passport, so if this trip is gonna happen, I'm gonna have to figure that out in the next 2 weeks.
It's gonna be a lit trip.
Yeah.
Are you joining us?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's fucking sick.
Dude, I'm so hyped for you, bro. I'm so
It's actually crispy.
2 weeks away from Japan.
Japan, baby.
About to walk into Japan. Ohayo gozaimasu.
Bro, both of us don't fucking speak a lick of Japanese.
Damn, their house is dirty as hell. I'm about to be on some homeless shit. I'm pissing, bro.
What are you vlogging? Move. Yo, follow me on TikTok. That's all it's called.
I'm bleeping this. Okay, you're inside John Jones. Alex Pereira's inside you. You're going forward, you're going back.
Gotta go for Pereira. He's a winner.
Pereira's a winner. Pereira's probably bigger, so.
Hey, this guy, serious news.
Serious.
Serious news. Serious news. Conor McGregor style, you heard me?
Who the fuck is that
money.
guy?
Listen.
Who the fuck is that?
God.
Who the fuck is that?
Hey, we got Indonesian Conor McGregor.
Fucking make money. Let's go.
I don't know, let's go record.
Safe to say I'm enjoying my time at the University of Michigan.
Shit is popping off in downtown Ann Arbor. I don't know who the fuck got their ass beat, but somebody got their ass beat. He was fighting the H.
He was part of it.
Yeah. I think that was the guy with the knife.
He had a knife?
Yeah, somebody they said somebody had a knife. All right, let's go back to the whip.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
No.
What were you gonna say? She's cheating on her boyfriend right now.
Bro. Yeah, okay. She was her side piece, yeah.
Good morning, Detroit.
We out here doing dishes. I hope the hoes see this shit so they know that I'm a chore doing man. Good ass time, bro.
This has been awesome.
Yeah, I'm glad you had a good time. This is not the last time I'm seeing you though.
No.
LA, Chicago.
We'll figure it out.
We'll figure it out, bro. That's
sure.
how life goes, man. All right, good luck, man.
We are packed into the clown car again, and it is really hot in here. Let's see if I can start it up first try. I mean, it was the first try, but not a pretty one. Actually, I low-key feel emotional. Like, I'm happy. I'm so happy. I'm back in Ohio, not far from Cincinnati. We're so close. I'm one fill up at a gas station away. One kind act away from driving back and being home, and I haven't been here in like 2 months. But yeah, I gotta probably stop and get some gas and shoot some content. Ah! Gotta get hyped. Gotta get hyped. Let's go! Ah! All right, we made it to this gas station. Can I ask you a quick question? I'm traveling across the U.S. off the kindness of strangers. I've came here from Grand Rapids, and I haven't paid for any of my gas or food so far. And I was wondering if there's any chance that you could have a few dollars to spare to help me fill it up. Yeah, if not, no worries. Like, no worries.
Yeah, I'll give you a little bit.
Maybe like $2.
I appreciate you so much. You're awesome. Thank you so much. What's your name?
Dwayne.
Corey.
Corey, nice to meet you. I'm Hayden. Wayne, I'm Hayden. Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Here.
Kentucky? Oh, you live in Piqua? Well, I really appreciate you. Yeah. Yeah, you have a great day.
You as well, man. Safe.
See you, buddy.
Have a blessed day.
Yeah, you too. Next stop, Cincinnati, baby! Woo, woo, woo. Hey.